The workers were absolutely fabulous.
My name is Gil. I'm a project manager with Green Bay Remodeling. We're here in Cotati, California today.
And hi, my name is Ariana. I'm a project manager and designer for Green Bay Remodeling. We are here today for an exciting reveal for a bathroom remodel we've been working on.
Let me show you in.
I'm Mary Lee McDonald. This is my husband, Bruce Rittman, and we live in Cotati in a brand new house that needed a bathroom remodel and some other work. I thought about this project initially right after we moved in because I had a knee operation and I couldn't go up to the second floor. And that's when I realized I really needed a shower on the downstairs. And so I shopped around, contacted several different contractors. I was very impressed by Green Bay Remodeling. Our first meeting was really productive. I had ideas about what might be done. They had ideas. And we had one major concern, which is this house had something called post-tension slab foundation, which means that there are cables crisscrossing the foundation. And our warranty for the house from the builder said that if anybody cuts into the foundation and cuts one of those cables, the foundation warranty will be voided. So I really needed a company that was financially solvent and had the technical expertise to deal with that issue. That was my primary concern.
I was really impressed with the workers. You know, not only did they do a good job, but they would come in, they would do their job, we wouldn't hear them, they didn't bother us, they didn't intrude, they didn't create a mess. It was very professional, but it wasn't intrusive at all.
These guys were here every single day from the beginning to the end. The job was super well scheduled.
I had a biking accident and I fractured my elbow. You can see I still have this on. And I had to have surgery, but I was in Phoenix. So after some time, she felt she really ought to come down and help me out.
Ordinarily, I would not have left the remodel in the midst of it, but I had so much confidence in Gil that I felt I could do that. I knew he would send me little videos of the work that as it progressed, and he did do that, or he would send me text messages if he had a question. It was all on track by the time I got back and exceeded my expectations.
In Green Bay Remodeling, we are a design to build company, so it's great that we can offer the tools and help guide our clients in choosing the right design, which is difficult for a lot of homeowners with so many options out there.
Definitely, yeah, we recommend Green Bay to our friends, and we'd certainly use them again if we do have that next project.